Hello, Mr. T here. In this session, the piece I would like to talk about is Play by Bartok from the book Timepieces Volume 1. I've chosen this piece as it is set for Grade 2, List B. If you choose to play this piece for your grade, here are some ideas on how you could improve your marks. Firstly, let me play the melody. Yes, I agree with you. Not very interesting, not very musical, and it doesn't sound like somebody out playing at all, does it? So how can I make it more interesting and more musical? The points I will consider are tempo, dynamics, articulation, and musicianship. Firstly, tempo. Two things to notice about tempo. Firstly, the speed at the beginning, and then look through the piece to see if this speed changes. At the beginning, it says allegretto, which means quicker than andante, a walking pace, but slower than allegro, lively. Also notice that it says crotchet equals 108. And what this means is the speed should be fast enough to play 108 crotchets a minute. The best way to understand this is by using a metronome. If you don't have one, play it at a moderate speed like this. And so on. Next, have a look through the piece to see if the speed changes. And it does. You will see that in bar 17 it says poco rit. This means a little sudden slowing down. Bar 19 says più mosso, crotchet equals 132. Più mosso means more movement. And as you can see that the speed of the crotchet is gone up from 108 to 132. So this is going to be a quicker speed. Then in bar 33 it says tempo 1. And this means that it goes back to the original speed of crotchet equals 108. Bar 49 says rit, and this is short for ritardando, a sudden slowing down, and it slows down to the end. I'll play from bar 13 to 26 so you can hear the differences. And there you can see the differences in the speed. Now, to the tempo, let's add dynamics. There are quite a few to notice as you look through the piece. At the beginning it says MF, mezzo forte, medium loud. Bar 5, MP, mezzo piano, medium soft. Bar 9, MF again. Bar 11, P, piano, soft. Bar 13, MF. Bar 15, P. Bar 10, F for forte, loud. Bar 27, back to P, soft. Bar 33, MP, mezzo piano, medium soft. Bar 45 is P, piano again, and the last 4 bars are PP, pianissimo, very soft. Also notice in bars 5, 6, 7 and 8 are an echo of the first 4 bars. Bars 11 and 12 are echoes of bars 9 and 10. Bars 15 and 16 are echoes of bars 13 and 14. I'm going to play the first 8 bars so you can hear the idea. So as you play through, look out for those dynamics and those echo type effects. Now for articulation, the tonguing and slurring. There is not a lot of variation in this piece. However, have a look through the music and you will see some curved lines and some little lines under the notes. The curved lines are slurs, so you must tongue the first one and then play the others without tonguing, making them as smooth as possible. The little lines under the notes are called tenuto. This means you must give the notes their full length. In other words, don't cut them short. Also notice the crotchet in bars 9 and 11. You will see that the tenuto and a staccato dot is used here. At this point you must make a little separation from the crotchet and the slurred quavers. I'll play from bars 7 to 13 so you can hear what is meant. So hopefully there you can hear that the crotchet is not too short, but it is separated from the slurred quavers. From bar 19, you must play forte, loud. Don't play the quavers heavily or too long, so that you can play the tenuto crotchets in bar 21 and 22. I'll play from bars 19 to 26 so you can hear what is meant. And there you can hear the light quavers and the full length tenuto crotchets. You will also see in bar 1 and bar 33 that it says dolce. This means sweetly, so try to make the sound as sweet as you can. Lastly, now that we have tempo, dynamics and articulation, the technical bits, it's time to think about musicianship. What this means is thinking about what story the music is wanting you to tell through your playing. The clues are in the title and the word allegretto, which you can see at the beginning. The title of Play from Children's Volume 1 gives you a good clue. When you play through the piece, try to make the piece sound full of fun, just like your playtimes at school. Now the 4 points of tempo, dynamics, articulation and musicianship have been covered. I will end by playing through the piece, thinking about all these ideas, and you will be able to compare it with the first playthrough and see the difference. And just as I did with the first playthrough, I won't do the middle repeat.